Hey everybody, Wildman Dan here. If you haven't noticed, there's actually a little lizard right in front of me. You probably can't tell because he's absolutely invisible. The king of camouflage himself, the little horned lizard. Isn't that a little cutie? Oh, beautiful animal, one of my favorite species. I used to catch these guys all the time in Texas. We're in California right now. Just a gorgeous animal that loves to eat ants. Be careful because you'll probably miss them when you're walking around, but if you see these guys, make sure you guys get some photos because they're just stunning. Gorgeous. Watch them disappear. Bye, little guy.